I put several, and Jockey would knock them off the porch.
Really?
Yeah, so I'm going to have a stink in my hands in a month.
You will.
I know.
Kids,
They're painted.
they're painted, that's right. They're boiled eggs, Ella. Kids don't pick up, they don't know what to do with boiled eggs nowadays. They all get plastic candies.
Is that olive stone?
Are there some more?
Are there more?
I think so.
Is that it? Oh, I don't know. What down, but down there. Look, down there.
Where?
There.
This is in training for tomorrow. They're all one color. I had a horrible time. The only colors that would... Oh, you're going to be beautiful at work. Ta-da! Ta-da-da-da-da!
They're painted. And some are not painted.
What?
Some are not painted.
She's not what?
Don't know. She's like, some of them are painted or not painted. So what did...
That's a blue, we have two blue ones. One's a little light.
Did
They're
you
both a
use
little-
color tabs?
What?